Hey VAT, we're back talking about the shape tools inside of the rectangle tool. If you click and hold the mouse button down on the tool in the toolbar, you'll see there is a plethora of tools that you can use to make simple shapes like rounded rectangles, ellipses, polygons, and stars. The second type of shape that we're going to make is called the rounded rectangle. And a rounded rectangle is a rectangle with round corners. As you're pulling out the rectangle, before you let go of the mouse, so I still have my finger on the mouse button, if you hit up on the keyboard, on the arrow key, if you hit up, it'll get more rounded on the corners. If you hit down, it'll get less rounded. So you can customize how rounded your rectangle is while pulling it out before you let go of the mouse button with the up and down arrow keys on your cursor. So there we have that. Inside of that rounded rectangle tool, there are other tools like the ellipse tool. The ellipse tool makes ellipses, which are sort of like elongated, flattened circles. It also makes, if you hold down the Shift button, you can make perfect circles. Okay? That's great. Let's go inside there again and use the polygon tool. The polygon tool makes polygons. However, if you hit up and down on the arrow keys before you let go of the mouse, you can go down, down, down and make a triangle, or you can increase, well, basically you increase or decrease the amount of sides on your polygon. If you want it to be straight, because it's hard to make this thing straight, if you hold down Shift though, it'll make it nice and straight. So there's a nice hexagon. I can make triangles with the polygon tool as well, just hitting down, 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 and holding Shift if you want to make that perfectly straight. Okay, and let's see, one more tool. We've got this thing called the star tool. To use the star tool, we'll make a star. It starts off by default with a 5-pointed star. If you click up and down on the keyboard before you let go of the mouse, you can increase or decrease the amount of points on your star. So again, you can go down to 3 points where you have a triangle, or you can go up, 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 and make a star that is more like a sun. The other thing that's kind of interesting about the star tool is that while you're stretching out a star, before you let go of the mouse button, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard and you can elongate or shorten the spikes of your star without altering the base or the core of your star. So the middle stays the same size, and you can shrink the points or elongate the points to make different types of stars. I hope this video helps. There are a lot of fun things that we're going to get to next. Please enjoy. See you in class.